Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda key. First, it's important to understand the type of key you have, whether it's a traditional metal key or a more advanced key fob. Knowing your specific Honda model and its features will guide you through the correct replacement process. For some simple replacements, you might only need a small flathead screwdriver. Let's get started with the most common key issue: a dead battery. A common issue is a dead key fob battery. To replace it first, find the small slot or seam on your fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the casing. You'll likely find a flat, circular 3-volt battery inside, such as a CR2032. Carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation, and then insert the new one with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together, and you're good to go. For some Honda models, you can program a new key fob yourself. This often involves a specific sequence of turning the ignition on and off and pressing buttons on the fob. It's crucial that all vehicle doors are closed and unlocked before you begin. While general steps exist, always refer to your Honda's owner's manual for the precise instructions for your specific model, as procedures can vary slightly. This can save you a trip to the dealership. For more complex situations, like replacing a lost transponder key, or if DIY programming isn't possible, professional help is necessary. Dealerships and automotive locksmiths have specialized equipment to cut and program these keys. The cost for a new key fob and programming can range from approximately $150 to $460, depending on your Honda model. Having a spare key can save you significant time and money in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.